So you're drowning in project chaos and spreadsheets, right? Been there. If you're using Google Workspace and feeling like your team's collaboration is about as smooth as a sandpaper handshake, I've got some good news. Let me introduce you to Kanbanchi, the project management tool that's going to be your new best work buddy. My name is Daniel, and today we are talking about Kanbanchi, the ultimate project management tool built specifically for teams thriving in the Google Workspace ecosystem, and why it stands out. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Introducing Kanbanchi. Alright guys, so in case you haven't heard about Kanbanchi before, let me tell you what it is and what it does. Imagine having a tool that feels like it's been part of your workflow all along, effortless, natural, and genuinely useful. That's Kanbanchi for you. Whether you're Team Google or Team Microsoft, this cloud-based task and project management tool fits seamlessly into your setup. With Kanbanchi, everything just clicks. It's built to make your life easier, not more complicated. You can manage your tasks and projects visually with Kanban boards, which give you a clear view of what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what's already wrapped up. Need to keep an eye on deadlines and timelines? That's where Gantt charts come in, helping you plan your projects down to the last detail without feeling overwhelmed. Collaboration is where Kanbanchi really shines. Imagine your team working together in real time, updating tasks, sharing feedback, and making progress all in one place. And because it integrates so well with Google Drive or OneDrive, sharing files and keeping everything in sync has never been easier. What makes it even better is how intuitive the whole experience is. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out, folks. It's designed to be user-friendly from the get-go. Kanbanchi isn't just a tool. It's like having an extra teammate who's always on top of things, keeping your projects organized and your team connected. My experience with Kanbanchi. So, let me tell you how Kanbanchi completely changed the way I plan content for this YouTube channel. Before I started using it, my system was, well, chaotic, to say the least. I jot down video ideas on sticky notes, random docs, and even text messages to myself. Deadlines? Let's just say they were more like guidelines I kept missing. But then I gave Kanbanchi a shot and everything clicked. I created a board just for my content planning, and suddenly all my ideas, deadlines, and progress tracking were in one place. What really helped was being able to attach files, like video scripts, right to the task cards. And with the Google Calendar integration, I never had to worry about forgetting a deadline. Everything just stayed on track, and honestly, it made the whole process so much smoother and way less stressful. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content I make. Just let me share a real example of how I use this thing. So for my YouTube channel, I've got this super simple setup. As you can see, it's just a board with different lists, kinda like sticky notes on a wall, but digital. I throw all the planned tasks into the first list, called To Do. These are all the tasks I've got scheduled for the near future. Usually it's like a week or two. And when I actually start working on a task, I just drag it over to In Progress. And once the task is finished, boom, it goes to Finished. The best part? If I suddenly think, oh wait, this task needs some reworking, I just grab it and drag it into another list, just like this. Super easy. And you know how annoying it is to find your files everywhere? Well, I can just attach any files I want straight from Google Drive to each task. No more digging through folders trying to find that one script. Kanbanchi makes life so much easier, especially if you're already using Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. It integrates seamlessly, so there's no need to switch between apps or remember extra passwords. Just log in with your existing account and get started. The team collaboration is totally effortless. Every update happens in real time, so you always know what's going on and who's doing what. No confusion, no endless back and forth. And because it's built to work with tools you already use, there's practically no learning curve. Kanbanchi saves you time, keeps everyone in sync, and fits perfectly into your workflow without any extra hassle. Let me show you how easy this is. Check out my board where I plan all my content. If you want to add something new, just hit this little plus button at the top of any list and type what you need. Super simple, right? Now you can customize this card in any way you want. You can add a description, color code it, set up a priority, and a deadline for it. Add files and special properties and more. Pretty neat. Oh, and if you're someone who loves seeing the big picture, you can switch to this cool Gantt view or view the task list. It shows you exactly when everything's due, so you never miss a deadline. Honestly, it really makes me happy to see how simple it all is. You really don't need any tutorials, everything just works. Final thoughts. Alright folks, so those are my thoughts on Kanbanchi. It's seriously a game changer when it comes to keeping your projects and tasks organized, especially if you're already using Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, everything's in one place. Collaboration is smooth as butter, and it's just so easy to use. And if you are thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Kanbanchi offers a free trial, so you can dive in and see how it works without spending a dime. And if you're ready to commit, the Essential plan starts at just $3.97 per user per month. You can always start small and upgrade later as your needs grow. Here is the best part. If you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 40% discount on your first subscription, no matter which plan or how many users. It's a great deal to help you get started. So go ahead, click that link, give Kanbanchi a try, and let it make your workflow smoother, your projects easier, and your team collaboration better. I promise you won't regret it. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.